In this video, we're going to solve these equations that start off with inverse trig functions inside of them by doing inverse operations to both sides, much like a square root. But I started off asking you what the square root of something was, it's only going to have one answer. But if I have an equation x squared equals something and I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to end up with many answers. Same thing happens here with inverse trig functions, that there's only one answer to this. Where the inverse cosine is 0, there's only one place where that's going to happen. And that's going to be where x is equal to the cosine of 0, like that. Cosine of 0 degrees is 1. So there's only one answer to these problems. But if I had gone the other way and had cosine of x equals something, say root 2 over 2, something like that, then x equals arc cosine of root 2 over 2, and I'd have to actually account for the period of cosine then, and that there would be two sets of answers because there's two places where cosine can be positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. It gets a lot messier. So that's a section of the textbook that we're not specifically going to cover in these videos right now, but we will have to know how to do that later, especially in calculus. So just hang on to that's coming. But for right now, let's just focus on these and use our inverse operations to say that sine of pi over 2 is 1. Inverse sine x is pi over 6, so sine of pi over 6 is a half. All these are things that are on the unit circle. Okay, watch out for this one because I've got to isolate the inverse trig function before I can solve for it. So inverse cosine equals pi over 2. So x equals cosine of pi over 2, which is 0. Sine of 4x is equal to pi over 4. So 4x is equal to sine pi over 4. So 4x is equal to root 2 over 2. And x is equal to root 2 over 8. And then last one, negative 4, arctangent x is equal to pi, arctangent x equals negative pi over 4, x equals tangent of negative pi over 4, and x is equal to a negative 1. All right, that's it for this section, and we'll come back next time and we'll talk about some more identities and solving equations and things like that. So see you for the next videos.